This year's annual flu shot will offer protection against 3 or 4 of the influenza viruses expected to be in circulation this flu season. A high-dose flu vaccine will also be available for adults age 65 or older. But do you really need a flu shot? Does it protect anyone? I'm Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and will tell you what the Mayo Clinic has to say. Before I get started, I want to thank everyone who comments and likes our videos. We consider you friends of the channel, and the people who subscribe and get all of our notifications really make the difference and keep us motivated, as YouTube has shut down and demonetized almost all of our content. So thank you for all your support. So, what is the flu? Influenza is a respiratory infection that can cause serious complications, particularly in young children, older adults, and people with certain medical conditions. Getting an influenza vaccine, though not 100% effective, is the best way to prevent the misery of the flu and its complications. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends that everyone 6 months of age or older be vaccinated annually against influenza. Let's hear about their symptoms from Andy Gottlieb from Massachusetts General Hospital.
The most common symptoms of the flu are fever, chills, or both, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, body aches, and fatigue. Flu symptoms are different from those of the common cold, which seldom has fever, chills, and body aches, and the flu tends to come on more suddenly and be more severe. If you develop flu symptoms, you should rest, stay at home, and drink plenty of fluids. If you become short of breath, have a high fever with chills, or feel severely ill, then you should contact your doctor.
So, do you need to get vaccinated every year? Because flu viruses evolve so quickly, last year's vaccine may not protect you from this year's viruses. New flu vaccines are released every year to keep up with the rapidly adapting flu viruses. When you get vaccinated, your immune system produces antibodies to protect you from the viruses included in the vaccine. But antibody levels may decline over time, another reason to get a flu shot every year. The CDC recommends annual influenza vaccinations for everyone ages 6 months or older, and vaccination is especially important for people at high risk of influenza complications, including pregnant women, older adults, and young children. Children between 6 months and 8 years may need 2 doses of the flu vaccine, given at least 4 weeks apart, to be fully protected. A 2017 study showed that the vaccine significantly reduces a child's risk of dying of the flu. Check with your child's doctor. Chronic medical conditions also can increase your risk of influenza complications. Examples include asthma, cancer or cancer treatment, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, cystic fibrosis, diabetes, HIV and AIDS, kidney or liver disease, and obesity. So who shouldn't get the vaccine? Well, for starters, anyone who is allergic to eggs and anyone who has had a severe reaction to the vaccine before. So leave your comments below. Do you intend to get the flu vaccination this year? Why or why not? What are your concerns? Do you think it's necessary? Personally, I've never gotten the vaccination and haven't gotten the flu either. But it used to be because I didn't have health insurance and I assumed it would be very expensive. But then I found out flu shots are only about $40 to $80. And even though I wasn't worried about getting the flu, what I didn't realize was that getting vaccinated can also protect people around you, including those who are more vulnerable to serious flu illnesses like babies and young children, older people, and people with certain chronic health conditions. So there's an extra incentive to get vaccinated. Leave your thoughts and opinions in the comments below.
Hello, I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys about Rest More. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble falling asleep fast and staying asleep, then you should check out buyrestmore.com. It's all natural, veggie based, and it'll help you have a great night of sleep. And it also helps your mind relax so that you can fall asleep too. So everyone needs this in this medicine cabinet for just those nights where you just can't sleep.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.